Well, I only have one camera running, unfortunately. The GoPro wouldn't charge for some reason. So we'll see what happens. Quadruple whippers. Quadruple whippers. And 3, 2, 1. Well, everything fired, but I hung up on my trigger over here. That messed it up right there. Alright, well that was a first. And it looks like Texas Twister didn't fall apart with its rotten self. I got a rope burn on my finger. Ow. 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 Alright. Quadruple whippers. Take 2. I fired them once like this. Three, 2. One, fire! Woohoo! Hit! I got crazy with the tiny whipper. Everything's in one piece. Awesome horizontal flight, Magnus. That was sweet. What'd y'all think of that?
Pretty dope.
Hell yeah.